In this captivating Universe Sandbox simulation, a viewer's imaginative concept is brought to life: the flyby of a neutron star close to our solar system. Neutron stars, known for their incredible density and immense gravitational pull, present a unique cosmic event. As the star approaches, planets in the solar system, including Earth, experience gravitational influences, causing chaotic shifts in orbits. This simulation visualizes tidal forces and electromagnetic radiation emitted by the neutron star, creating stunning displays in space. The narrative not only showcases the mesmerizing visuals, but also educates on the potential celestial impacts of such a rare event, making science engaging and awe-inspiring.